Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make breakfast burritos easy. First, gather all your ingredients, including a dozen eggs, 1 pound of sausage, and 8 large tortillas. Next, chop any vegetables like bell peppers or onions into small 1/4 inch pieces. Finally, cook your chosen protein, such as sausage or bacon, and set it aside. This preparation saves significant time on busy mornings. Now let's get cooking and assembling. Scramble a dozen eggs with a splash of milk until they are light and fluffy, then season them well. Warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds in the microwave or a dry pan. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Lay out each tortilla and fill it with a generous portion of eggs, your cooked protein, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and a spoonful of salsa. To make these burritos truly easy for future meals, proper freezing is key. Wrap each assembled burrito tightly in aluminum foil or parchment paper to prevent freezer burn. Then, place all the wrapped burritos into a large freezer-safe bag, removing as much air as possible. They will stay fresh for up to 3 months. When ready to eat, simply unwrap and microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Here are a few quick tips to elevate your breakfast burritos. Consider adding black beans or fresh spinach for extra fiber and nutrients. Don't be afraid to customize your fillings with different types of cheese, like pepper jack, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a kick. For easy meal prep, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy breakfast burritos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.